how to make animated Stickman AI videos. You asking the same question? I can help you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the simplest way you can make this kind of videos. Everything will be 100% free and the character stays consistent across the scene. But first, take a look at this channel. I saw this channel and the result surprises me, and I've uploaded 109 videos. And if you can see here, this channel is literally monetized, and if you go down, you see the consistency in posting. And basically, this is what this video is all about. Just Stickman AI videos. If you watch the videos, you'll notice that they use static images in their videos. I will show you the secret sauce on how you can generate the images that stays consistent across all your scenes and animate them using free tools, including generating the voiceovers. And I'm going to share with you the master prompt that I used in this video. So if this is helpful, like the video, subscribe so you don't miss my next upload. And guys, without much ado, let's go. Okay. So let's say you don't have any idea at all and you want to generate your script from scratch, but you don't want to start from scratch because you want to start from what is already working. Let me show you quickly how to do that. So first thing is type the name of that channel. Now we found the name of this channel, right? Now what you need to do is go ahead and copy the URL of this channel. I love doing this because I want to extract the blueprint of that channel. So guys, watch what I'm going to do. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and copy this, right? I want to extract so that I can get my story. Take this to Notebook. Either you use Notebook LM or you use Claude AI. Anyone works. So I'm going to use Notebook LM. So the first link is what we are going to use to extract the blueprint of what is working so that we can get our stories. All right, so go ahead and once it opens up, try Notebook. Click on Create New. Once you click Create New, go ahead and select Websites or YouTube link and paste that link that we copied. Okay, the channel you want to extract the story idea from. All right, so once you are here, you are going to ask Notebook LM to suggest 10 topics, any number of topics you want based on the source that you've uploaded. So I type just this simple thing and I will go ahead and send this. Now once you do this, Notebook LM will be able to give you 10 video ideas, what is already existing and what is working, so that you will not just start from an empty space. Okay, so our topics are here from the beginning to the end, 1 to 10. Beautiful. So you are the one to select the topic of your choice. That is for you who don't have a topic, okay, video idea. So I've given you how to generate your video idea. So after you've gotten your video idea, let's go ahead and copy this master prompt that I'm going to be leaving in the description of this video. Let's do this. Now let me show you how to use this master prompt. Go ahead and copy everything from here to the first part, this part here, to ChatGPT. That's the entire prompt that I copied. Right now, when you have your story, that video idea, right, go ahead and copy. So for me, this is my topic, so I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Insert video topic. So this place you have insert video topic, go ahead and insert it here. Now go ahead and hit send. 59-second video because of what I included in the master prompt. All right, so the part 1 that's given us the image prompt, okay, and it has given us the Stickman best prompt, which acts as the master image for your entire video because of consistency. And it has given us up to scene 6 and scene 10, and has given us all the motion animation prompts exactly, and also giving us the voiceover scripts just like so. Now we've gotten everything intact, right? It is time for us to start generating the images one by one. Now the tool we are going to explore is Google Flow AI. Why are we using this particular AI? Because it doesn't have a watermark, right? And it offers us unlimited image generation without any credit, 0 credit. So we are going to use that. But alternatively, you can use Gemini AI. Let's go. Now Google Flow AI is here. Once you sign up, okay, you log into the platform. This is what the interface looks like. Go ahead and click on this new project. Once you click on new project, you want to start generating our images. Now watch how I'm going to use my best image to generate all my images. Copy our best image. Okay, now this is our Stickman best prompt. Let's go ahead and copy this. This is what is going to give us the consistency that we are looking for. Awesome. Go back to Flow AI, paste it here. Now remember, we don't have any image at all, so we want to generate our best image, what we use to generate the entire images. All right, come here, select here to image. Okay, so once you select that, select your aspect ratio to the desired aspect ratio of your choice, landscape or portrait, anyone depending on what you want to use it for. Then select how many variations do you need, 1, 2 or 3 depending on you. Then select this model to Nano Banana Pro because that is the highest. Okay, so look at here, it's 0 credit. Beautiful. So go ahead and hit send. Now for our portrait, the images are here. This is the first generation and this is the second generation. So depending on what we want to achieve, for you this is better because it shows us the full image from the beginning to the end, right? Whereas this one is somehow like it's halfway beautiful. So this is a portrait, this is a landscape. Now it has given us this kind of image. This is the second one. So if you're not comfortable with it, you can go ahead and recreate it again so that you can have more style to choose. So do this and then let's move to the next step. Beautiful. So you can see I literally love this because that's giving me a more detailed Stickman and I love it. Okay, I'm not going to change this, so I'll go ahead and hit download from here. Awesome. So now we've gotten our best Stickman. Now let's go back here and bring up this one, add it here. This becomes our master prompt. So every time you want to generate your scene one from the beginning to the end, you must use this as your best image. So this is the secret behind generating your consistent images. So let's see example of one. So this is our scene one. So I'm going to copy this, okay, and head back to Google Flow. Remember, I've selected my master prompt and I'm going to go, all my settings are intact. I'm going to go ahead and hit send. I'll do the same thing to the last scene, so I will be able to have a complete scene. So this is the best image, add it here and then press here, send. Make sure you know your scene one to your last scene and label it accordingly so that when you want to animate and also arrange it together in your editing platform, you don't make mistake. In my quest for animation, I was able to find this particular platform that offers us unlimited video generation, unlike other platforms that gives you access to just 2, 3, 4 videos creation. What if you want to generate in bulk? So I've been able to find this platform, but it has a downside, which is the watermark, and I'm going to show you how you can literally remove that. Meta AI. So this is the website we are going to be using to animate. Now this platform offers us unlimited video creation. As at the moment, no credit card creates. Okay, now if you can create from here, folder, and I'll bring in my scene one Stickman. All right, the image we generated. Now I'm going to go back to my ChatGPT to get my scene one animation prompt. Right, copy it. You can see here animation prompt. Press this here and allow the platform to animate it for us, and look at it, in no time it will start animating. The same method, select the scene 2. Right, our scene 1 is already ready, the scene 2 is almost ready. Now after generating all your videos, how do you now download this without the watermark? This is where I want to show you the simple trick. Now if you are using PC, I'm going to leave the link on how you can remove it using your PC in the description of this video. But if you're on your mobile phone, then follow me through and let me show you. Also, I will also leave the link, the step-by-step guide on how you can remove it ASAP, like without waste of time. Look at your left panel, okay, of your screen. If you're using a PC, if you're using a mobile phone, you see the same thing. Just look around. You're going to see where you have the video that you just generated. Okay, click on it. Once you click on it, this is going to pop up, and other videos, you're going to see this share button. This share button that looks like share, you want to create link. You see, link is copied. Once you copy the link, come here and open a new tab. Okay, whether your mobile phone or your PC, this method works in both platforms. Okay, Manus AI. Okay, this is it. So click on it so that we can download it from there. Once you click on that, log into the platform. The first one, log into the platform. The link you copy from Meta AI. This step is very simple, and this is how you're going to use it. And this is a legal way. It is not shortcut. Okay, it's allowed, it's legal. Simple line, download without the watermark. Go ahead and hit send. Now Manus AI will definitely analyze the entire video and download it for you. Okay, awesome. So your video is completed, task completed. You can see this. Okay, click on it and view it. You see there's no watermark on it. So what you need to do is click here to download your video, and that's it. This is how you go to remove the watermark. Now if you play this video, just like you want to see at the end of this video, there will be no watermark. So if you want to see the end result of what I just created, stick around to the end. 11 Live gives you free credit to voiceovers. Okay, so I want to get back to our ChatGPT where we have our voiceover scene. Now look at it, part 3 is voiceover script, right? So I want to copy everything right to the last scene of your script. Make sure you sign up to the platform and sign in. You'll be given free credit. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use text to speech because I want text to speech. All right, so here I'm going to go ahead and paste my anything that is not needed in the video. Please take it off. Okay, so you're going to clean this up. So after removing everything you don't want, okay, in the voiceover, come over here. You want to see the settings, so you can select the voiceover you want to use, like set it up. Okay, Now for us, you're going to close all of this because I've used it before. So now the language you want to use, what kind of language do you want to use? So accent, can use American, British. Awesome. So I'm going to select this accent. Do you want British? Do you want American English? Do you want British English? So I'm going to select British English, okay? And the category, do you want narration? Because this is a voiceover script, okay? So I'm going to leave it at narration. Okay, so that's it, and beautiful. So everything is already set. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and select. Look for ones that are free. These ones are free. You can play this. So just test the voice. Awesome. This one is perfect. I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this, okay, for the voiceover. Beautiful. So because I love it and every other thing is in order, I'm going to go ahead and hit generate speech. So once you generate speech, the speech starts generating, and once it's done, click on it, download it, and let's edit everything to assemble all our videos together into what we call CapCut, or your editing platform. The first thing I needed to do is to add my voiceover. Then I begin to align my scene one to the last scene. It matches the voices. So now watch the final output.
Ever catch yourself staring at your screen, but your mind is somewhere else? You're not lazy. Your brain is just wandering. This is called daydreaming, and when your mind creates its own little world. And surprisingly, your brain does this on purpose. It happens when you're bored, tired, or even overwhelmed. Your brain takes a break from reality to reset and process thoughts. But here's the interesting part. People who daydream more are often more creative and imaginative. The key is balance. Don't get lost, but don't shut it off either. Because sometimes your best ideas come when you zone out.